Ensuring your baby's safety in the car is one of the most important responsibilities for any parent or caregiver. From choosing the right car seat to securing it properly, every step you take helps protect your little one while on the road. Choosing the right car seat is crucial for your baby's safety. Infants should use a rear-facing car seat, which offers the best protection for their head, neck, and spine. Rear-facing seats are designed for babies up to 1 to 2 years old. Once your baby outgrows the infant seat, consider a convertible seat, which can be used rear-facing and then switch to forward-facing. Always check the car seat's weight and height limits to ensure proper fit and safety. When installing a car seat, it is best to place it in the back seat of the vehicle. Never install a car seat in the front seat, especially if the vehicle has an active airbag. Always follow the car seat manufacturer's instructions for proper installation. To install a car seat, place it in the back seat and ensure it is securely fastened using the seat belt or latch system. The seat should not move more than 1 inch in any direction. Always check the car seat every time you use it to ensure it is properly installed and securely fastened. The Graco car seat offers 4 modes of use, growing with your child from infancy to a booster seat, making it a long-lasting investment. Its Nori thread harness system allows for easy adjustments, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit as your child grows. Its safety features provide peace of mind on every ride. Never drive while tired, as fatigue can impair your ability to focus and react. Always place your baby in a rear-facing car seat for maximum safety. Put your phone in your purse and toss the purse in the back seat, so when you grab it, you remember to check for your baby. Remove any extra items from the back seat and secure essential items to avoid distractions. If your baby starts crying, do not turn around while driving. Stop your car to a safe spot and address the situation calmly. Dress your baby appropriately for the weather. In hot weather, choose light clothes, and in cold weather, opt for long sleeves and layers for warmth. If using a blanket, place it over the harness, not under it. Always clip a pacifier to the baby's clothes, not the harness. Properly harnessing your baby is crucial for their safety in the car. To harness your baby, first thread the straps through the slots directly below their shoulders. Next, buckle the harness and clip it at armpit level. Finally, tighten the harness to ensure it is snug and secure. By following these simple tips, you will ensure your baby's safety on the road and provide a safe travel experience for your little one.